Epomaker Cypher 81 unboxing. Today, I'm unboxing something I've been super excited about, the Epomaker Cypher 81, a 75% mechanical keyboard that's priced under $100 and comes with dreamy pink Flamingo Linear switches. The keyboard greets you the moment the box is opened. I love that it comes with a dust cover, which is such a nice touch for keeping the dust away. Of course, it comes with the manual, just in case you need to know what keys and shortcuts you would need to change the RGB settings, or how to connect to your computer or phone. It also comes with a USB-C cable for wired connection, keycap and switch puller, and 3 extra switches. Look at how clean this layout is. It's a 75% ANSI layout with 81 keys, a rotary knob, and a cute little 0.85 TFT screen that's fully customizable. Isn't it such a perfect mix of functionality and compactness? There are 2 stand levels to further adjust the height of the keyboard so you can type comfortably. There's triple mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless. The keyboard comes with Epomaker Flamingo Linear switches, so there's no tactile bump or click. They've got an actuation force of 47 G and bottom out at 6 degrees. That means they feel buttery smooth with just the right amount of resistance. I just love the shade of pink and how the casing is translucent. Let's have a little sound test. The keyboard has hot-swappable sockets for 3 and 5 pin switches and south-facing RGB lighting. I've been using this keyboard for work all week, and honestly, it's been a joy. The typing experience is bouncy, soft, and super satisfying. Though if you're used to clicky or tactile switches, you might miss that bit of feedback. Honestly, for $89.99, this keyboard feels like such a steal. It's solid, stylish, and sounds amazing. And yes, those pink switches are a double win for both looks and feels. Thanks again to Epomaker for sending this keyboard over for me to try out. I'm loving it so far. If you're thinking of getting the Epomaker Cypher 81, you can grab it from the link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this unboxing. More keyboard content is on the way.